finding the fastest Featherlight Linux systems. If your computer is starting to feel slow, or you simply crave instant responsiveness, turning to a fast Linux distribution, Distro, is often the best solution. These systems eliminate unnecessary features, heavy graphics, and background programs that slow down Windows and standard versions of Linux, providing pure speed. Hello guys, and welcome to Tech Fanboy. If you're new to the channel, what we do here is discuss Linux distributions and how Linux can make your life easier. We also talk about PC tips and tricks. If that's something of interest to you, consider subscribing and keep the notification bell icon turned on to get notified each time we upload a new video. Today, I've compiled a list of 5 of the fastest Linux systems, detailing what makes them unique, why they are fast, and who they are best for, starting with their biggest challenge. Let's get started. Taking the first spot is Redux OS. I must first warn you not to use this distro for your everyday work computer. Redux OS is not actually a standard Linux distribution. It is a completely new operating system still in early development, so it lacks many common drivers and a wide range of essential programs needed for daily use. Why this distro made it to the list is the fact that the OS is built using a tiny minimal core, microkernel, and the high-performance Rust language, and applications open instantly. Since so few programs are installed, nothing slows it down in the background. The Rust programming language is the base language on which the OS is built from the ground up. Rust is known for being safer and more efficient than older languages. Since Redux OS is in early development, it is perfect for those who enjoy testing and playing with new technology, and people who want to see the future of ultra-fast operating systems. At number 2, Puppy Linux. I must confess this distro looks very old school, almost like a computer interface from the early 2000s. But wait, we're focusing on speed, so we don't mind. This is a distro that loads a whole operating system out of RAM, is the ultimate speed boost. RAM is dramatically faster than even the quickest SSD. By loading everything into memory at boot up, Puppy avoids waiting for the slow process of reading data from a disk, making everything feel instantaneous. That's not all. It is incredibly tiny, often less than 300 megabytes. It allows you to save a session so you can continue where you stopped the next time you log in. It's also highly versatile, offering different versions based on other stable systems like Ubuntu or Debian. Anyone who owns a truly ancient PC, 20 years old, or users who need a powerful, quick-starting rescue disk to repair or access files on a broken computer. Taking the third spot, Bodhi Linux. This distro uses a unique desktop environment called Moksha, which will look completely different from Windows, Mac, or even common Linux systems. It is also an incredibly minimal install. It ships with very few programs, meaning you will have to install nearly everything yourself. If you're a Linux user, by now you should know that the desktop environment is the biggest drain on any modern computer. By using the stripped-down Moksha desktop, Bodhi uses minimal resources like the CPU and RAM just to show you the windows and menus, leaving nearly all of your computer's power free for the applications you actually want to run. The desktop is designed to be highly configurable, but most importantly, extremely lightweight. If you're a new Linux user, I suggest you keep out. You can try other lightweight distros. For pro users who only need a browser and a few specific tools, or those who are willing to learn a new style of desktop to achieve maximum speed on low power or older devices, this distro is a perfect start. Let's pause for a moment. If you're enjoying the video, why not take a few seconds to subscribe and give a thumbs up? This will encourage me to do more videos like this, and most importantly, help the video reach more people. Thanks. So back to where we stopped. At number 4, Linux Lite. While fast, it's still based on the larger Ubuntu system, so it is not as small as Puppy or Bodhi. If you're trying to revive a PC with less than 1 GB of RAM, this might not be your absolute fastest choice. It achieves its speed by using the XFCE desktop environment, which is known for being fast and stable. It also avoids many of the heavier background services and graphical effects that slow down bigger operating systems, focusing instead on a simple get-to-work interface. Linux Lite is a distro designed specifically to be the easiest switch for Windows users. It has a very familiar look and comes preloaded with common software like the Firefox browser and the LibreOffice suite. It focuses on reliability and simplicity over complexity, So if you're a beginner switching from Windows, this distro is a starting point. Finally, at number 1, Xubuntu. When it comes to speed, this distro is fast, but not that fast. Since it keeps the same core as the standard Ubuntu, it can be slightly larger than some other lightweight distros. For a truly ancient rock-bottom PC, it may not deliver the raw speed of puppy Linux. Nevertheless, it replaces the Ubuntu heavy desktop with the much lighter XFCE desktop environment. This simple replacement eliminates a massive amount of the slowdown caused by heavy graphical effects and background processes, giving you Ubuntu stability with a significant speed boost. Since on Ubuntu you have access to the vast Ubuntu software library, this means finding and installing software is easy and well supported by a huge community. Users who need a widely supported, easy-to-use system but want better performance on older laptops or budget-friendly desktop machines, it is the perfect choice for someone who wants speed without giving up familiarity and support. With this, we've come to the end of our video. If you enjoy it, you don't enjoy it, or you feel there are areas in which this video needs improvement, please drop me a comment in the comment section so I can know your thoughts. Thanks for now, and see you in my next video.